This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a beginner's guide to Java, which is a high level language. So we will discuss first the introduction of it, and by watching this video you will be able to understand the history of Java and its invention and its progress throughout today's modern era. So we will start from the module 1 today, which is all about Java introduction. So let's start with the introduction. Java can be classified and defined into two categories. For one, software platform, and the second is programming language. So there's a difference between these two categories. So the first, Java as software platform. It is a collection of software components which allow development and execution of bytecode based language. Bytecode is a binary code that Java platform interprets. The Java platform is composed of compiler, Java virtual machine, libraries, and tools. So when we talk about compiler, it generates bytecode from source code, and the JVM, which is the Java virtual machine, it provides runtime execution environment for bytecode. About libraries, it contains Java API, application programmer interface, and tools. Various Java tools are available when we talk about Java is used as a software platform. The Java bytecode has two important characteristics. It is processor dependent. It is processor independent, that is, the program can run on any processor architecture. It is an operating system independent, that is, bytecode does not target any operating system such as Windows or Linux. The Java platform is available in 4 flavors based upon device type. First, Java card. It is used in smart cards and small memory devices. Java ME Micro Edition. It is used in personal digital assistants, set-top box, and printers application. Java SE, which is also called Standard Edition. It is used in development of desktop, communication, and user interface based applications. Java EE Enterprise Edition. It is used in development of web-based messaging, distributed, and enterprise applications. The Java platform has support for many languages such as number 1 Java, number 2 Jython, 3 JRuby, 4 Scala, 5 Groovy, 6 Rakudu Perl 6, and 7 Kotlin. Now we will talk about the second category of Java, which is Java when used as a programming language. Java is a multi-paradigm programming language. It is one of the most used programming languages for development of various types of software such as desktop, enterprise, web-based, and mobile applications. Some of the important attributes of Java language are: number 1, statically typed. The type of the variable is known at compile time. Object-oriented, object-centered programming. Concurrent, support for multi-threading programming. Number 4, reflective, allows inspection of class, method, interface, and fields. Languages that influence Java. Java language falls in C family of language category. It has taken inspiration from many languages, including languages which were released after Java. Some of the major languages that have influenced Java are C++, Oberon, Ada 83, C#, Object, Pascal. And the languages influenced by Java are, as per TIOP Index, Java is the #1 programming language today. Java has influenced many modern languages such as C#, Clojure, Python, JavaScript, PHP, Scala, and Groovy. And in the end, we would like to discuss the summary of today's Java's introduction is Java is a programming language and a platform. Java platform is divided into 4 parts: SE, ME, EE, and CORD. Java is a multi-paradigm programming language. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will discuss Java's compiler and interpreter, which are very important essential tools for running any computer program in Java language. That's all. Thanks for watching.